So here I started with a 4-foot by 9-inch board that we get right from Lowe's. And using a foam roller, I applied 2 coats of black Wise Owl paint. You can do both the front and back side of the board. And then I set that aside to dry, and using some antique Villa, I got these letters from Walmart for about $1.50 each. And I have an F, an A, an I, and an H here. And I just painted those until I got good coverage. Then I grabbed this cross from Walmart for $1, and I painted that using goldenrod. And now the cross will be my T, and with everything put together, we have the word faith. I got these artificial flowers from the Dollar Tree, the whole bundle, for $1. And what I did was I popped the head of the flower off of the stem, and I cut as close to the bottom of the flower as I could, cutting that little yellow piece off. And I did this to the entire bundle of flowers. You just want to make sure that the flower will lay flat. And taking this epoxy clear, this one sets in 5 minutes. I got this from Walmart, and I also believe I see it once in a while in Dollar Tree. You're going to just take a plastic cup and push both sides of the epoxy into the cup. And then I recommend a pair of gloves and a mask. And you're just going to give it a nice stir. Now this epoxy sets in 5 minutes, so you don't want to just mix it and then walk away. And I took my cross and I dumped some epoxy on the top half of the cross, and I moved it around with a popsicle stick. And then I started taking the flowers that we pulled off of the stem, and I just laid them inside the epoxy. And I did this until the entire cross was covered. And then I set that aside to dry, allowing the flowers to settle in the epoxy. I went back to my board and I took a 220 grit sandpaper and just gave it a light sanding. And then here you're going to remove any dust from the sanding, and I took some furniture salve in my palm brush and I gave it a nice top coat. Now, if this was going outside, I recommend the varnish or the 1-hour enamel as your top coat. And then you just want to rub in the salve. Then I took my letters and I placed the F about 3.5 inches in on the board. And then the letters sat about 1/2 inch from the top and bottom of the board. And I got all my letters where I wanted them to be. And I adhered them to the board using some wood glue. And we like the Elmer's wood glue. And we put our wood glue inside this bottle, which is called a glue bot. And it just helps to easily squeeze out the glue without fighting with the bottle. And also you can squeeze out the glue whether the bottle is in an upward or downward position. And once I had all my letters placed, I measured 3.5 inches from the H, and using my square, I just made a line and I cut off the extra wood at the bottom. And there you go. Now you have this nice faith board that you can add to your home decor. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out some other tutorials on our webpage as well, or over on YouTube. Have a great day.